Welcome! Today we're diving into a hot topic for remote teams. Which website platform is better, WordPress or Squarespace? With more teams working remotely than ever, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in collaboration, productivity, and overall workflow. In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both WordPress and Squarespace, focusing on what matters most for distributed teams. Whether you're building a company website, a team blog, or an online store, understanding the unique features of each platform will help you make the best decision for your remote team's needs. Let's get started by looking at what makes each platform unique. WordPress is an open-source content management system that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. It's known for its flexibility, scalability, and a massive ecosystem of plugins and themes. For remote teams, WordPress offers the ability to customize nearly every aspect of your site, from design to functionality. You can assign different user roles, collaborate on content, and even integrate with third-party tools for project management and communication. However, WordPress does require some technical know-how, especially when it comes to hosting, security, and updates. Let's see how this compares to Squarespace. Squarespace is a website builder designed for simplicity and ease of use. It's an all-in-one platform, meaning hosting, security, and updates are all handled for you. For remote teams, this can be a big advantage. There's no need to worry about technical maintenance. Squarespace offers a range of beautifully designed templates and a drag-and-drop editor, making it easy for anyone to build and update a website, even without coding experience. However, customization options are more limited compared to WordPress, and integrating with external tools can sometimes be challenging. When it comes to ease of use, Squarespace clearly has the edge. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows team members to quickly make changes, add content, or update the design without needing technical skills. This is especially helpful for remote teams where not everyone is a developer. WordPress, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. While it offers more flexibility, setting up and managing a WordPress site can be daunting for beginners. For teams looking for a straightforward, no-fuss solution, Squarespace is often the better choice. Customization is where WordPress shines. With thousands of plugins and themes, you can tailor your website to fit almost any need. For remote teams that require specific features, such as advanced project management tools, custom workflows, or unique integrations, WordPress provides the flexibility to build exactly what you want. Squarespace, while offering beautiful templates, is more limited in terms of customization. You can adjust layouts and colors, but adding complex features often requires workarounds or custom code, which can be restrictive for some teams. For remote teams, collaboration is key. WordPress allows you to assign different user roles like editor, author, or contributor so team members can work together on content creation and site management. There are also plugins that enhance collaboration, such as editorial calendars and workflow tools. Squarespace, while user-friendly, is more limited in this area. It supports multiple contributors, but the role management and collaboration features aren't as robust as WordPress. If your team needs detailed permissions and workflow control, WordPress is the stronger option. Squarespace takes care of hosting, security, and updates automatically. This is a huge benefit for remote teams that don't have dedicated IT support. You don't have to worry about downtime, software updates, or security patches. Everything is managed behind the scenes. WordPress, in contrast, requires you to choose a hosting provider, manage updates, and handle security. While this gives you more control, it also means more responsibility. For teams that want a hands-off approach, Squarespace is the clear winner. Budget is always a consideration for remote teams. Squarespace offers straightforward pricing with monthly or annual plans that include hosting, security, and support. There are no hidden fees, making it easy to budget. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, premium themes, plugins, and possibly developer support. Costs can add up quickly, especially if you need advanced features. For teams with limited budgets or those who want predictable expenses, Squarespace may be more appealing. Design is another area where the two platforms differ. Squarespace is known for its stunning, professionally designed templates. These templates are easy to customize within certain limits, making it simple for remote teams to create a polished site quickly. WordPress, on the other hand, offers virtually unlimited design possibilities. With access to thousands of themes and the ability to edit code, you can create a truly unique site. However, this flexibility comes with a learning curve and may require design expertise. Remote teams often rely on a variety of tools for communication, project management, and analytics. WordPress excels in this area, offering integrations with countless third-party services through plugins and APIs. Whether you need Slack notifications, Google Analytics, or CRM connections, WordPress can handle it. Squarespace supports some integrations, but the options are more limited and sometimes require manual setup. For teams that depend on a complex tech stack, WordPress is usually the better fit. Security is a top priority for remote teams, especially when working with sensitive data. Squarespace handles security automatically, including SSL certificates, DDoS protection, and regular updates. This reduces the risk of vulnerabilities and gives teams peace of mind. WordPress security depends on your hosting provider and the plugins you use. While you can achieve a high level of security, it requires ongoing attention and expertise. For teams without dedicated IT staff, Squarespace's managed security is a major advantage. Remote teams are often on the go, so mobile editing capabilities are important. Squarespace offers a mobile app that lets you edit your site, manage content, and track analytics from anywhere. WordPress also has a mobile app with similar features, allowing you to write posts, moderate comments, and update pages. Both platforms support mobile editing, but the experience may vary depending on your needs. It's worth testing both apps to see which fits your team's workflow best. Managing content efficiently is crucial for remote teams. WordPress is built as a content management system, offering powerful tools for organizing posts, pages, media, and custom content types. You can schedule posts, manage drafts, and collaborate on content easily. Squarespace also provides solid content management features, but they're more streamlined and less customizable. For teams with complex content needs, WordPress offers more flexibility, while Squarespace is ideal for simpler sites. Search engine optimization (SEO) is essential for any website. WordPress offers extensive SEO plugins, such as Yoast SEO, that give you granular control over metadata, sitemaps, and more. This is great for remote teams looking to boost their online presence. Squarespace includes built-in SEO features, but they're less customizable. For most small to medium teams, Squarespace's SEO tools are sufficient. But if you need advanced optimization, WordPress is the better choice. If your remote team plans to sell products or services online, e-commerce features are a must. WordPress, with plugins like WooCommerce, offers powerful and customizable e-commerce solutions. You can manage products, payments, shipping, and more. Squarespace also supports e-commerce with built-in tools for selling products, managing inventory, and processing payments. However, it's less flexible than WordPress when it comes to advanced features or integrations. For simple online stores, Squarespace works well, but for complex needs, WordPress is superior. Support is vital for remote teams, especially when issues arise. Squarespace offers 24/7 customer support via chat and email, making it easy to get help quickly. WordPress relies on community forums, documentation, and third-party support. While there's a wealth of information available, finding answers can take more time. For teams that value direct, responsive support, Squarespace is the better option. However, WordPress's large community means you can usually find solutions to almost any problem. The learning curve can impact how quickly your remote team gets up to speed. Squarespace is designed for ease of use, with a gentle learning curve that allows most users to build and manage a site within hours. WordPress, while more powerful, requires more time to master, especially if you want to take advantage of its advanced features. Teams with limited technical experience may find Squarespace more approachable, while those with web development skills will appreciate WordPress's depth. As your remote team grows, your website needs may change. WordPress is highly scalable, supporting everything from small blogs to large enterprise sites. You can add new features, users, and content without major limitations. Squarespace is best suited for small to medium-sized sites. While it can handle growth to a point, it may not be the best choice for very large or complex projects. For teams planning to scale significantly, WordPress offers more long-term flexibility. Managing user roles is crucial for remote teams with multiple contributors. WordPress allows you to define detailed roles and permissions, ensuring everyone has the right level of access. You can create custom roles or use built-in options like administrator, editor, author, and subscriber. Squarespace supports basic contributor roles, but the options are more limited. For teams that need granular control over who can do what, WordPress is the better choice. For remote teams working across different regions, multilingual support is important. WordPress offers plugins like WPML and Polylang, making it easy to create multilingual sites. You can translate content, manage language-specific SEO, and customize user experiences. Squarespace supports multiple languages, but the options are more limited and may require manual setup. For teams with global reach, WordPress provides more robust multilingual capabilities. Accidents happen, and having a reliable backup and recovery system is essential. WordPress offers numerous backup plugins, allowing you to schedule automatic backups and restore your site if something goes wrong. Squarespace handles backups automatically, but you have less control over the process. For teams that want to manage their own backups or need advanced recovery options, WordPress is preferable. Squarespace's system is sufficient for most users, but may not meet advanced needs. Tracking website performance is key for remote teams. WordPress integrates easily with Google Analytics and other reporting tools, providing detailed insights into traffic, user behavior, and conversions. You can also use plugins for custom reports. Squarespace includes built-in analytics, offering an overview of site performance, but with fewer customization options. For teams that need in-depth analytics, WordPress is the better choice. Squarespace's analytics are great for basic needs. One of WordPress's biggest strengths is its plugin ecosystem. There are plugins for almost any feature you can imagine, from SEO to social sharing to project management. This allows remote teams to extend their site's functionality as needed. Squarespace supports some third-party integrations, but the selection is much smaller. For teams that rely on specialized tools, WordPress's plugin library is a major advantage. Website speed affects user experience and SEO. Squarespace optimizes performance automatically, ensuring fast load times without user intervention. WordPress performance depends on your hosting, provider, theme, and plugins. With the right setup, WordPress can be extremely fast, but it requires ongoing optimization. For teams that want reliable speed without technical effort, Squarespace is a solid choice. WordPress offers more control, but also more responsibility. Accessibility ensures your website is usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. WordPress themes and plugins can be optimized for accessibility, but it requires attention to detail. Squarespace templates are designed with accessibility in mind, but customization options are limited. For remote teams that prioritize accessibility, both platforms can deliver, but WordPress offers more flexibility for advanced needs. Establishing a strong brand is important for remote teams. Squarespace's templates make it easy to create a cohesive look with built-in branding tools for logos, fonts, and colors. WordPress offers more freedom to build a unique brand identity, but it may require design skills or developer support. For teams that want a quick, professional look, Squarespace is ideal. For those seeking complete creative control, WordPress is the way to go. Scheduling content is essential for remote teams working across time zones. WordPress allows you to schedule posts and pages in advance, ensuring content goes live at the right time. There are also plugins for more advanced scheduling and editorial workflows. Squarespace supports basic scheduling, but with fewer options. For teams that rely on coordinated publishing, WordPress offers more robust tools. A great user experience keeps visitors engaged. Squarespace's templates are designed for usability and visual appeal, making it easy to create a site that looks and feels professional. WordPress offers more control over user experience, but it depends on your theme and customization choices. For remote teams that want a polished site with minimal effort, Squarespace is a strong choice. WordPress is better for those who want to fine-tune every detail. WordPress has a massive global community with forums, tutorials, and events that support users at every level. This ecosystem makes it easy to find help, share knowledge, and discover new tools. Squarespace's community is smaller, but growing, with active forums and support resources. For remote teams that value community-driven learning and support, WordPress stands out. Squarespace offers a more curated experience. Keeping your website up to date is important for security and performance. Squarespace handles all updates automatically, so your team never has to worry about software versions or compatibility. WordPress requires manual updates for the core software, themes, and plugins. While this gives you more control, it also means more maintenance. For remote teams that want a set-it-and-forget-it solution, Squarespace is ideal. WordPress is better for those who want to manage every detail. For teams with development skills, WordPress allows full access to the site's code. You can build custom themes, plugins, and integrations to meet your exact needs. Squarespace supports custom code blocks, but access is limited compared to WordPress. For teams that want to build unique features or deeply customize their site, WordPress is the clear winner. Squarespace is better for those who prefer a no-code approach. Compliance with privacy laws like GDPR is essential for remote teams working internationally. WordPress offers plugins to help manage cookies, privacy policies, and user data. Squarespace includes built-in tools for compliance, but customization is limited. For teams with strict compliance requirements, WordPress provides more options. Squarespace covers the basics, which is sufficient for many teams. Bringing new team members up to speed is easier with a user-friendly platform. Squarespace's intuitive interface allows new users to learn quickly and contribute right away. WordPress, while more complex, offers extensive documentation and tutorials. For teams that frequently onboard new members, Squarespace may reduce training time. WordPress is better for teams with established processes and technical support. Remote teams need tools that support collaboration across locations and time zones. WordPress can be integrated with project management and communication tools like Slack, Trello, and Asana. There are also plugins for editorial workflows and team messaging. Squarespace supports some integrations, but options are more limited. For teams that rely on seamless collaboration, WordPress offers more flexibility and choice. If your team ever needs to move your website, portability matters. WordPress sites can be exported and migrated to different hosts or platforms with relative ease. There are tools and services to help with the process. Squarespace is more restrictive, making migration to another platform challenging. For teams that value flexibility and future-proofing, WordPress is the safer bet. Squarespace offers a curated selection of modern, responsive templates. These are easy to use and look great out of the box. WordPress, in contrast, has thousands of free and premium themes, covering every style and industry. For teams that want a unique look or need industry-specific designs, WordPress provides more variety. Squarespace is ideal for teams that want a quick, professional appearance without sifting through hundreds of options. For advanced teams, API access is important for building custom integrations. WordPress offers a robust REST API, allowing developers to connect with other tools and services. Squarespace has limited API support, which may restrict advanced integrations. For remote teams with development resources, WordPress provides more opportunities to extend and customize your site's functionality. Website reliability is crucial for remote teams. Squarespace guarantees high uptime and manages all technical aspects, so your site stays online. WordPress reliability depends on your hosting provider and site management. With a good host and proper maintenance, WordPress can be just as reliable, but it requires more oversight. For teams that want guaranteed uptime without technical worries, Squarespace is a strong choice. Let's look at a real-world example. A remote marketing team needs a website to showcase their portfolio, publish blog posts, and collaborate on content. They choose Squarespace for its ease of use, beautiful templates, and reliable hosting. The team quickly sets up their site, assigns contributor roles, and starts publishing content without technical headaches. For their needs, Squarespace offers the right balance of simplicity and functionality. Now, consider a remote development team building a complex web application. They need custom integrations, advanced user roles, and full control over the site's code. WordPress is the obvious choice, allowing them to leverage plugins, APIs, and custom development. The team collaborates on features, manages user permissions, and scales the site as needed. For technical teams, WordPress provides unmatched flexibility and power. To summarize, Squarespace is ideal for remote teams that want a simple, reliable, and visually appealing website with minimal technical effort. WordPress is better for teams that need advanced features, customization, and scalability. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so the best choice depends on your team's specific needs, skills, and goals. Let's break down the main pros and cons of each platform to help you decide. When choosing between WordPress and Squarespace, consider your team's technical skills, budget, need for customization, and long-term goals. If you want a platform that's easy to use and maintain, Squarespace is a great option. If you need advanced features, integrations, and control, WordPress is the way to go. Think about your team's workflow, the types of projects you'll handle, and how much time you can dedicate to site management. Experts generally recommend Squarespace for teams that prioritize simplicity, speed, and visual appeal. It's perfect for marketing, creative, or small business teams that want to get online quickly. WordPress is recommended for teams with technical expertise or those planning to scale and customize extensively. Development, tech, and large organizations often benefit most from WordPress's flexibility. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your unique team dynamics. Both WordPress and Squarespace are excellent platforms, each with its own advantages for remote teams. The key is to match the platform to your team's needs, skills, and future plans. Take time to test both options, explore their features, and involve your team in the decision-making process. With the right platform, your remote team can collaborate effectively and build a website that supports your goals. Thanks for joining us as we compared WordPress and Squarespace for remote teams. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best platform is the one that fits your team's workflow, goals, and resources. Whether you choose Squarespace for its simplicity or WordPress for its power, your remote team can succeed with the right tools and collaboration. Good luck with your website journey.